Well students, now we have here problems. Already I have explained the basic things related to these all problems. So now we will go for the problems. Here we have first problem, find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. Okay, focal length of a convex mirror. Okay, we need to find the focal length, f, small f we need to find, and radius of curvature they are given here. Okay, first you can write given things, given. So what they are given, r they are given. Okay, so r is equal to how much? 32 centimeter. Okay, so r is equal to, they are given 32 centimeter. So we know that what we know, r is equal to 2 into f. Okay, r is equal to 2f. So we need focal length. So this becomes r, how much they are given? 32 centimeter they are given. Now this 2 can take this side, so f. Okay, now this 2 ones are 2 16s are, so f is equal to how much? We can say 16 centimeter. Okay, f is equal to 16 centimeter. This is very important. We know that r is equal to 2f. Okay, we need to find radius of so focal length, radius of curvature they are given, and we need to find the here focal length. So once they will give the what? Focal length. Sometimes they will be give the what? Focal length, and they will tell you to find the what? Radius of curvature. Just you can 2 into this multiply, you will get r. Okay, this is what 1 marks or 2 marks question. This is this type of questions are very important. Now we have here next question. So the next question is, if the radius of curvature of a lens. Okay, so here only I'll write the question. I'll rub this one. Now if the radius of curvature of let me write the question. If, okay, second, if the radius of curvature, okay, RC means radius of curvature of a lens, this time they are given of a lens, okay, is 20 centimeter, is 20 centimeter. Okay, so then what is its focal length? Then what is its focal length? Okay, what is its focal length? Just you can see the last question is related to what? It is a mirror. Okay, convex mirror. Now this is a what? Lens. So if the radius of curvature of a lens is 20 centimeter, radius of curvature of lens is 20 centimeter, then what is its focal length? We need to calculate again. Yeah, first you can write given. So what they are given? So given they are radius of curvature, r is equal to 20 centimeter. So we know that, what we know? We know that r is equal to 2f, and we need to find here f. So r they are given 20 by 2 is equal to f. Okay, now this is 10 centimeter. So f is equal to, we can say 10 centimeter. Okay, so see here they are given radius of curvature, and we need to find the f focal length, and this is about 10 centimeter. I hope you understood very well. This formula is very important. This you can keep it in your mind. Okay, once you know this one, you will get 1 or 2 marks very easily. I hope you understood. Well students, now we have here and next question here. An object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter. Okay, an object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter from a diverging lens, from the diverging lens of a focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance the image is formed from the lens? Okay, find the magnification of image. So see here, an object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter. So first of all we need to write given things. Okay, what are the given things? So first of all they are given an object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter. That means object distance they are given u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. You know it very well why I am taken here minus. So object is always what? Minus. Okay, this is the left side, so that's why minus 30 centimeter from a diverging lens. So this time we have the question related to what? Lens, not about here mirror. Okay, diverging lens. So diverging lens means which one here? We know it very well, converging and diverging. So diverging lens, see, if you have the what? Concave lens, the rays will become like this, and these ray will become, and this will be what? Diverges like this. So it is a concave lens from the what? Diverging lens. Okay, so diverging lens of focal length 15 centimeter f. Okay, so of focal length is what here? 15 centimeter. Now just you can see here whether this is a positive or negative of focal length, as I told. Okay, so if you have the what? Concave lens, if you have the concave lens, always the image will be from what? Same side of the what? Object, and the focal length here. Okay, the focal length is also what? It will be diverges. So the focal length also here negative. So f is equal to what? We can take minus of 15, okay, centimeter. So this side it will be come. Now next, okay, diverging lens of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance the image is formed from the lens? At what distance? So we need to calculate here image. We need to calculate image distance. How much? Find the magnification of image. Also we need to find m, magnification. M is how much? Okay, so we can apply here. We know that very well. What we know that? We know that. Which one? Lens formula. What is that lens formula? 1 by v minus of 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, 1 by v minus of 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. What we need? V we need. So what I will be doing means 1 by v I'll keep as it is, this I'll send that side. So it is 1 by f. Now this is plus 1 by u. Okay, this minus becomes that side, means it is plus. Okay, so now I'll substitute the values now. 1 by v I'll keep here as it is, 1 by v is as it is, this equal to 1 by f, it is 1 by minus 15. Now 1 by u, so u is what? How much here? Plus 1 by minus of 30. Okay, now we can take the LCM. What is the LCM of 15 and 30? Here see, 15 we have and we have 30 here. So 5 3s and 5 okay, 5 3s, or you can say 5 3s and 5 how much? 6. Okay, 5 6 30. Now 6 into 3 is how much? 18. Okay, now we have 6 into, otherwise okay, 6 into one more if you want, you can apply 3. Okay, now this is 3 1s 3 2s. Now 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. Okay, so the LCM will come here. 5 into 3 is 15, 15 into 2 is, it is 30. Okay, so now 1 by v is as it is. So next we have, this is how much? We can say 15 2s. Okay, and this is 30, we can say 1s. Okay, now so the LCM will come here 30. Now this is minus 2 and this is minus of, again we can say 1. Okay, so minus 2 minus of 1, because the both are what here? Minus itself. Now 1 by v is equal to, this is minus 3 by minus 30. Okay, minus 3 by 30. So next step here we have, see, just you can, so 1 by v is equal to minus 3 by 30. Now we need v, so cross multiply. So what you will be get here? V. So we'll get v 3 1s 3 10s, we know it very well, 3 1s 3 10s. So v is equal to how much here? We can say minus 10. Okay, so it is a diverging, see, it is a diverging lens. So diverging lens means concave lens. So always the image will be from left side. Okay, same side of the what? Object. Object it is what? Minus. So image is also what? Minus. So v is equal to minus 10. So one more thing we need to calculate, that is what? M. So m we need to calculate magnification. M is equal to what? Lens means v by u itself. Now v is how much we have? It is minus 10 and u is minus 30. So now this is minus minus get cancelled, 10 ones are, so 1 by 3. So this becomes 0.3 centimeter. Okay. So this is what? 0.3. Magnification is equal to how much? 0.3. And so here we have 0.3 and image distance we have minus of 10. Okay. So they told to find the what? Image from the lens and find the magnification of image. 0.3 here magnification. So as I told, magnification is what? Positive and less than 1 means which mirror it is, you know it very well. Okay. So now I'll drop this one, I'll go with the what? Next question. Okay. Well students, now we have your next problem. Let me read this problem. A concave lens has a focal length 30 centimeter. At what distance should the object be placed from the lens so that it forms an image at 20 centimeter from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Okay, so just you can see here what they are given. One more time I'll read the question. A concave lens has a focal length, okay, f they are given 30 centimeter. At what distance should the object be placed from the lens? That means we need to calculate u, object distance is how much, so that it forms an image at 20 centimeter. Image distance they are given 20 centimeter from the lens. Okay. Also find the magnification produced by lens. Okay. First of all we can write given. So given focal length is how much? F. F is equal to, they are given, so a concave lens has a focal length 30 centimeter. Okay. 30 centimeter they are given here. Okay, let me check whether it is okay. 30 centimeter. A concave lens has a focal length of 30, and which type of lens it is? Concave lens. So it will come minus 30. Okay. Now at what distance should the u we need to calculate here? U is equal to how much? Now v they are given, v is equal to, okay, so whether this v will come positive or negative, as I told. Okay, so concave lens always the image will be formed on the same side of the object. Same side of the object means always is object is what? Left side. Okay, left side of the your lens. So left side means from distances measure will be from here to here, means it is what? Always a negative. So the image will be from this side means it is also what? Negative. So 20 centimeter, minus 20 centimeter from the lens. Also find the magnification m. We need to find m is equal to how much magnification. Okay, so concave lens, so we need to use lens formula. Okay, which formula? Lens formula. What is that? 1 by v minus of 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, now so this equal to, or this implies we have 1 by v. So what we need? U we need. So I'll keep this 1 by u is as it is. So this becomes 1 by f. Okay, and this you can transfer that side. So this becomes 1 by v. Okay, plus becomes what? This side means minus. Now here we have minus. So multiply throughout equation by minus. So once you multiplied means 1 by u. So this becomes what? 1 by positive. Minus becomes minus becomes plus, and plus becomes what here? Minus 1 by f. Okay. So this is what the equation we got. Now we'll substitute the values here. So this becomes 1 by u is as it is here. This equal to 1 by v. So v we have 1 divided by, it is minus of 20. Now it is minus again. So 1 by f, how much we have? F. See, this becomes f we have minus of 30. Okay, so now minus into minus is again what here? Plus. So this implies 1 by u is equal to 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by 30. Okay. Now we can take the LCM 20 and 30. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? Okay, 2 ones are, and this is 3 as it is, 3 1 2. Okay, 60 will come. Okay, the LCM will come 60. So 1 by u. So this becomes, we have LCM is 60. Okay, LCM is 60. Now this is 2. How much are? We can say 3 za, and this is 3 2 za. Now this is minus 3 and this is plus 2. Okay. Now minus 3 plus up to, because we have here minus sign, we have here plus sign, so we can keep the plus as it is. Now this becomes 1 by u is equal to, this is minus 1 by 60. This is 1 by minus 1 by 60. Now I'll move with the next step. C. Okay, so u is equal to, so this implies u is equal to how much then it is? We can say minus of 60. Okay, so we know that very well. Always the what? Object distance is negative, and this is u is equal to minus of 60. We got negative itself. Okay, now we need to calculate m. This is a length, so m is equal to, we have v by u. Okay, v by u. Now v is how much we have? So minus 20, and u we have minus of 60. So what is the answer here? 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 1 by 3. So we'll get here 1 by 3 means it is 0.3. Okay, m is equal to, we can say 0.3. Okay, so this is what the magnification, m is equal to 0.3. Okay, and u is equal to 60. So find the magnification produced by the lens. The magnification produced by the lens is 0.3, and object distance is u is equal to minus of 60. I hope you understood very well. Okay, just you can use here what? A lens formula. Once you use the lens formula means, first of all you need to, what you need, this you can keep here, and remaining can transfer that quantities that side. So after that you can substitute all the values, get the LCM. Once you got the LCM means you will get your answer. Then magnification formula for lens is v by u. Apply it, you will get your desired answer. I hope you understood very well. Well students, we have here next question. An object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position of image, its nature and size. Okay, an object 5 cm in length. So length of the object they are given this time is placed at a distance of 20 cm. This object is placed 20 cm distance in front of a convex mirror, in front of the what? Convex mirror. Okay, which type of mirror we have this time? So convex. Okay, so the object is placed 20 centimeter, okay, away from the what? Mirror. So minus 20 it is. Okay, now and the radius of curvature. So radius of curvature they are given r is equal to, okay, this is a c. So this distance they are given r is equal to 30 centimeter. Then f is how much? So f will get the distance from what? P to f, okay, the focal length. So you'll get obviously 15, you know it very well. Okay, so this from here to here they are given minus 20, from here to here they are given radius of curvature 30, and f is, we know that very well, f is equal to plus 15. Okay, that side is positive. Okay, then we need to find the position of image. Then where is the position of image? Suppose the object is here, okay, A, B, okay, one ray will be formed, and after that it will be reflected back like this, the apparent ray will become, okay. So then where is the image will be formed here? Find the position of the image, its nature and size. Position of the image we need to find here, isn't it? So now first of all, given, see what the given things. given. Okay, so given we have here object distance u is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Okay, and radius of curvature r is equal to 30 centimeter. Then f is 15 centimeter. Okay, find the position of image, its nature and size. We need to find position of image. Okay, so which formula we need to use here? Distance of 20 centimeter convex mirror. Okay, see here, mirror formula we need to use. What we have the mirror formula? That is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, this is what the mirror formula. Now, so this implies we have 1 by, so what we need here, we need find the position of image, we need here 1 by u. So now you can transfer that side, this becomes 1 by f minus of 1 by u. Okay, now once you transfer, now you can substitute the values here. This implies 1 by v is as it is. So 1 by f how much we have? 1 by 15 we have minus. Okay, so 1 by u minus becomes 1 by 20. Okay, so here we have minus and this minus becomes what? 20 it is. Now next, so this equal to, we have 1 by v is equal to, take the LCM 15 and 20. What is the LCM of 15 and 20? So it is 5 3s are and 5 4s are, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5 is 60. Okay, so the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Okay, how much it is? We can say 15 4s are and this is 3s are. So this is 4 plus of 3, both are what here? Positive. Okay, now so next, see, we have, I'll write here 1 by v is equal to 7 by 60. Okay, so what is the v? So reverse it. So how we can get the v? So it is 7 60. 8s are how much? 7 8s are 56. So 4 is remaining here. Okay, now 4 is remaining, this point you can keep it here. Now this is 47 5s are. Okay, so 8.5. So this becomes v is equal to, we can say 8.5. So we will get v is equal to 8.5. So this is what image distance. But what they ask, find the position of image. We need to find the position of the what? Image, 8.5. So depending upon the what? Magnification, we can say the what? Position of the image and its nature also. So m is equal to, we have here, it is a mirror, so minus v by u. Okay, and one more they are given here, I am forgetted, h, c, an object 5 centimeter in length object, HO they are given, HO is equal to 5 centimeter, HO is equal to 5 centimeter. So now this equal to, we have HI by HO. Okay, now m is equal to, so this becomes minus v. So minus 8.5 by, we have again u is how much we have? Minus of 20. Okay, so now once we have this, so this becomes, I'll keep this hi by, so HO is 5 here. Okay, now so this becomes how much we'll get? M is equal to, okay, so m is equal to, just we will get here, see 8.20, we have, this is 85, so Forza, and this is, okay, if Forza we can get here 80, so 4 is remaining, so we'll get 4 point something, I'll write it is 0.4 we'll get here. Okay, so we'll get m is equal to, this quantity will get 0.4 centimeter. Okay, now again we have m is equal to, we know that very well, it is hi by 5, but m is equal to this, now it is 0.4 hi by 5, now 5 into 4, okay, this is 20. So 2 centimeter. So height of the image, size of the image is 2 centimeter. So we can say that what size of the image is 2 centimeter. Its nature virtual, if it is see V, what we got 8.5, virtual and erect. So we can write here. So let me write here. Okay, so this is virtual and erect, virtual and erect. So size is this one 2 centimeter, and position, see, find the position of image, its nature and size. Nature is virtual and erect, and the position is, if it is virtual and erect coming in the convex mirror, means behind. Okay, so behind the mirror. Okay, behind the mirror. So nature is virtual and erect, and position is behind the mirror, and size is 2 centimeter. I hope you understood very well. See, the given things are about here, u is equal to minus 20, r is equal to 30, yeah, and then we can calculate f, and they are given h, o is equal to 5 centimeter. Apply the what here, mirror formula, substitute all the values very clearly. V is equal to 8.5 you will get here. This is the image distance. Then m is equal to minus v by u, can apply hi by ho, height, the height of the what, image by height of the object. Then you can substitute here, you will get 0.4. Now already we have ho is equal to 5, that you can substitute. 5 into 0.4 is 2 centimeter. This is the size of the image. And so nature, okay, nature is virtual and erect, and position is behind the mirror. Once it is in the mirror coming virtual and erect, means it is what we can say behind the mirror. Okay, I hope you understood very well.